Hi everyone and welcome to SQM Picks. I'm David Lipton. SQM Picks highlights businesses that provide outstanding customer service or have interesting products. Businesses that have been featured range from small mom and pop companies to some of the larger international brands. Highlighted companies come from a number of different industries, including restaurants, retail stores, medical offices, lawyers, and various tourist attractions. We've even featured an auto body shop and a junkyard in the blog, which just goes to show that anybody can provide great customer service. Our feature company today is Armindo Rego and Son Construction. The company provides various construction and subcontracting services and has been operating in the GTA for over 25 years. As the name would suggest, the business is owned and operated by Armindo Rego and his son Logan. Unlike many companies in the construction industry, Armindo is happy to take on both small and large projects. Whether it's renovating an entire house or just installing a few tiles, Armindo, Logan, and his team take care of every aspect of the project in a professional manner. When I first met Armindo over 15 years ago, the company that was designing our kitchen and washrooms highly recommended him for the project. Unlike other companies that came to bid on the job, Armindo took notes and measurements and even provided some suggestions to improve the outcome. In addition to doing great work, Armindo's prices are always reasonable and he's always looking for ways to save his customers money. For more information about the company, call Armindo at 416-565-6707. If you know of a company that has great products or amazing service, please send us an email to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks for watching and look for another episode of SQM Picks shortly.